See logo. Now in this lecture we'll create the logo of LG company. That is also very easy. If you go to Google again and write LG logo, you will see this is the logo of LG. So you can create this very simply in CorelDRAW, and I'm teaching you this because so you guys can test the tools. This simple, we are using this simple tools, very simple tools. So you guys can practically work a little bit, and we will later design some advanced things in CorelDRAW. So for creating this logo, LG logo, you need to actually first take this ellipse tool, which creates a a circle. Just press Ctrl from your keyboard and then draw this kind of simple circle, and now put a color. For example, this color is there. So after that, just take a copy of this by using Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, and now put color white from here. This one is the white color. Now just resize it and press shift so you can resize it from all corners like this. That's it. Now you have to remove this color, the inside color, from this copy that we have taken. I will just little bit resize it more, make it a little bit bigger. Now we'll come back here and we'll just remove the background color. Yes, that has been removed. Now I will change the border color to white, and for this I will right click on the color, because you can add the right color by clicking right click whenever you want to add a color to the border or the outline. Now I will just increase the border size, the size of this outline to 16, so you will see this kind of thing. Now I will use this option first, mirror vertically, so this will be vertically mirror, and now again this option, mirror horizontally. Then I will just click this ARC option. It will make it like this, this kind of shape. I will mirror horizontally, so this will be like this. You can see here there is something similar. Now I will click this freehand tool from here, from the tool area. We'll just simply draw a simple line, we'll draw a very simple line. Actually my mouse is not working a little bit, so I'm using laptop to create this tutorial. Sometimes my mouse just gets some problem. Anyways, we need to create a simple, very simple line, and straight line basically. So I have created a line. Now I will just increase the size to 16 and the color to white. That's it. I'll take it here to this area, so you can see. I'll increase the size of this to here. Now the next thing is, you can see here, the next thing is to take this text tool and click here and just write L, and I will just make its size a little bit bigger like this. And the size of this will be something accordingly. Okay, size is okay now, and I will change the color to white. The color of this will be white, and that's it. You can see this is exactly this thing. Just one thing is remaining, that is, just take this ellipse tool, create a simple a simple circle, small circle. put a color white and just take it and drag it here. Remove the outline color using this option by right clicking this no color option. So that's it. This is your simple LG logo. We have very easily created, and now we can make it a group, and this is the second logo that we created very easily in Corel. So you guys can also create this. One thing, I mean, this line has some problem. Now it's okay. I will group it again. For grouping, you can just use Ctrl G from your keyboard. So in next video we'll come back and we'll create another logo, which will be also a very easy one like this.